Good day everyone, good day sir. Today we will talk about the different kinds of navigation charts and its purposes. I am Russell Jan Y. Sanweta and we are the Group C. My group members are J. Mart S. Pabonita, Francis Greg Oxtero, Angelo Praculios, and Joe Peter Bilbar. Let's move on to navigation charts. Navigation charts are specialized maps used by mariners and aviators to navigate safely. They provide essential information about waterways, coastline, depths, hazard, landmarks, and navigational aids like buoy and lighthouses. A navigation chart serves as the ocean's equivalent road signs and traffic signals, providing essential information to ensure safe and efficient vessel navigation. It is different from a regular map because it shows these things: water depths, shorelines, tide predictions, obstruction to navigation such as rocks and shipwrecks, navigational aid, land and underwater contour lines, seabed composition, hazards, prominent land features, and traffic separation scheme to guide mariners to navigate safely and efficiently through water. Here is an example of a navigation chart in which you can see that is very different from a regular map. It shows many signs, hazard signs, buoys, and it is very detailed because these maps are for mariners and for aviators so they can navigate safely and efficiently. So here are the kinds of navigation charts: sailing charts, general charts, coastal charts, approach charts, and harbor charts. Sailing charts. Sailing charts are the smallest scale charts used for planning, fixing position at sea, and for plotting the dead reckoning while proceeding on long voyages. The scale is generally smaller than 1 to 600,000. The shoreline and topography are generalized only offshore soundings and principal navigation lights, outer buoys, and landmarks are visible at considerable distances are shown. So in a sailing chart, navigators commonly use it for planning long voyages. So ginagamit lang ito po kapag nagpaplano tayo sa malayo na mga voyages, such as plotting vessels route. So we plot it for the route of the vessel in which we are going to kung saan tayo dadaan para safe and efficient ang travel. So for example, a ship might travel from Lisbon to Portugal across the Atlantic Ocean. So a mariner would make plans based on the hazards, the information on the sailing chart, so it can travel from Lisbon to Portugal in a safer way. So across the Atlantic Ocean to the Caribbean, carefully charting its course to account for currents, winds, and navigational hazards. So that is all for sailing chart. Now we'll move on to general charts discussed by J. Mart S. Pabonita.
What is general charts? It is a specialized charts used for maritime navigation designed to provide essential information for safe and efficient travel on water. So mao na siya para sa mga magprovide siya info daw para sa safety o sa mga efficient nga mga travel sa isa ka barko sa tubig. So it is intended for coastwise navigation outside of outlying reefs and shores. So it is intended meaning is nakaplano gid siya, is mao na siya para nga butang. So it is intended or nakaplano ni siya para sa coastwise navigation. So what does shoals mean? Shoals mean is mao ni siya ang mga party sa tubig nga mabawra, like para sa nanay mga balas nga nagtapok or mga rocks nga na siya, like kanang danger dira or bawal dira maagi ang isa ka barko o isa ka vessel. So these charts display some details such as coastline features, navigational hazard like motor reefs, rocks, wrecks, and etc., and maritime boundaries like ug asa ra sila kutob ang barko or asa sila moagi or asa ilang boundary ba means ilang limit ra ana sa isa ka tubig. So mas makita nimo sa picture sa naskilid. So mao ni siya ang general charts.
Good day, sir. I'm Francis Greg R. Oxdero. I'm here to discuss my topic is all about coastal chart. Coastal chart is a map used for navigating coastal waters, including bays, harbor, and inland waterways. They are also known as nautical charts, maritime charts, or navigational charts. Simply, coastal charts are maps or nautical charts that provide detailed information. Example, about the status of shoreline, the waterways, and the depth of the waters in that area, and other features near the coast. These charts help mariners, fishermen, and other people navigate safely and efficiently voyage through coastal waters. In addition, this chart is important for mariners to avoid potential hazards like rocks and reefs and other landmarks, allowing mariners to plan their routes and avoid danger while navigating close to the land. Overall, coastal charts are a vital tool for anyone venturing into coastal waters, from recreation boaters to commercial mariners.
Good day, sir. My name is Angelo Procoelius. I'm here to report topic about approach charts. These navigational charts are intended to help navigators to approach harbors and other geographical features and to avoid accidents. Their scale is 1 in 25,000 coastal. They have a scale of less than 1 in 25,000 and are used to show in detail a small area of coastline and sea. Explanation. Ang approach chart ay isang uri ng mapa na ginagamit ng mga mandaragat at kapitan ng barko upang ligtas na makalapit sa mga daungan at baybayin. Tumutulong ito sa mga naglalayag na makita ang tamang direksyon at maiwasan ang aksidente. Mayroon itong sukat na 1 in 25,000 na nangunguhulugan. Isang maliit na bahagi ng mapa ay kumakatawan sa isang mas malaking lugar sa totoong buhay. Sa madaling salita, ang approach charts ay parang isang espesyal na mapa para sa mga barko upang matiyak na makarating sila sa kanilang destinasyon ng ligtas.
Good day everyone, I am Jupiter Unavibar. I am the one to discuss the topic of harbor charts published at scales of 1 in 50,000 and larger are intended for navigating in harbors and smaller waterways and for anchorage. Harbor charts present more numerous soundings than are shown on smaller scale charts and all attempts to maximize the accuracy of positions determined from plotted bearing. So that is a definition of a harbor chart. To understand it easily, ang harbor chart ay isang detalyadong mapa na ginagamit para sa pag-navigate sa loob ng mga daungan, mga mas maliit na daanan ng tubig, at mga lugar na pang-angkla. Naglalaman ito ng mas detalyadong impormasyon kaysa sa mga karaniwang mapa, tulad ng lalim ng tubig or soundings. Pinapakita nito ang lalim ng tubig at iba't ibang bahagi ng daungan na mahalaga para maiwasan ang pagkabangga sa mababaw na lugar. And mga pantulong sa pag-navigate, aids to navigation o atons, mga balakid, at ang mga lugar na pinagbabawalan. Kapakita nito ang mga lugar na pinagbabawalan para sa paglayag, tulad ng mga lugar na may malakas na agos o mga lugar na may pinagbabawal na sa paglalayag. Sa madaling salita, ang chart ng daungan ay isang mahalagang kasangkapan para sa kapitan ng barko upang matiyak ang ligtas at maayos ang paglalayag sa loob ng isang daungan. Mas detalyado ito kaysa sa mga karaniwang mapa, kaya mas tumpak ang impormasyong makukuha rito.